We are a genuine Māori channel with the mission and vision to keep our Māori culture history alive today through sharing stories that have shaped us by tāne and wahine leaders that have been the catalyst of change to better improve how we live today and in the future. For those of you that like this episode, please click the like button, and for those of you that want to watch more, please click the subscribe button. Now today is episode 5, and today we're having a kōrero about Ākenehi Tōmoana. Ākenehi was born around 1843 at Pakipaki in Heretaunga in the Hawke's Bay region of Aotearoa, New Zealand. She was born as Ākenehi Pātoka. Her father was Te Hāpuku. Her mother was Piki Huia. She grew up in Aotearoa, was changing rapidly. European settlement was expanding. Māori communities were facing increasing pressure over the land. Ākenehi was exposed early to political discussions, iwi strategy and the importance of protecting whenua. She learned not only tikanga, but also how colonial systems were beginning to reshape Māori authority. Young Wāhine, she married Ākenehi Tōmoana, another prominent rangatira of Heretaunga. Their marriage unified two influential lines of rangatiratanga in the region. Together they had 13 tamariki, and among them one was Ākenehi Tōmoana, who later became a well-known rangatira and composer. One of the well-known waiata he composed was Pō Karekare Ana, that you may remember Dame Kiri Te Kanua singing. During the rise of the Native Land Court, many Māori communities began losing control of their whenua. This became one of the major turning points in Ākenehi's life. She actively fought to retain whānau whenua, attending court hearings and opposing land sales. At a time when wahine were really recognised in these legal spaces, she stood firm and made sure her people's rights were defended. Her husband later said much of their land remained in the whānau because of Ākenehi's strength and persistence. She knew whenua was more than property. By the 1890s, Ākenehi's role expanded beyond local affairs. She became involved in te kotahitanga and supported Māori women being included in political leadership. She helped push for women's voices to be heard in national Māori decision-making during the time when both Māori and the colonial systems often excluded them. She helped establish a women's committee at Te Hauke Marae. There, wahine gathered to discuss issues affecting their people, whenua, education, well-being and representation. She created spaces where wahine could organise and lead together. Ākenehi Tōmoana died in 1908, but her legacy continues through the pathways she helped create for wahine Māori. She protected whenua, strengthened political leadership and ensured future generations inherited both whenua and mana. Ākenehi Tōmoana stood as a wahine rangatira whose whakapapa gave her standing, but was also her courage, leadership and fight for her people that made her unforgettable. For those that like this episode, please click the like button, and for those that want to see more of our series, please click the subscribe button. Ngā mihi for watching.